leaders, ayan, it is my pleasure to introduce an extraordinary woman who has made a significant impact in both business and personal development.
Her mission is to empower individuals with clarity and confidence, leading them toward purposeful success. Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda!
Options for that 7 seconds. Either you use your time, energy, and resources correcting the wrong impression. So, practicein muna natin na hindi na tayo na-offend sa mga nag-judge natin, knowing it's scientific. So, we will be using this framework for the whole 2 hours. Each of this framework, each of this acronym is an experience in my F1 race or in any F1 racer, but it is also a journey for you as a leader. So let's start by something scientific. There's this part of our brain that makes us judge each other for the first 7 seconds. And in our image, in the world of image, we actually call that 7 seconds as the field and area of first impression. L is what? Can you read that L? Isn't it? We have a very good theme this year, and that's how we want to be remembered, no? Sustain what works, shape the future of your area. And what's letter E? Your legacy, even if planned out, but not really happening because they are not remembering you that well or how you planned it. Sayang din. That's why engagement is very important. We need to mobilize teams to deliver consistent service results. And how do we engage them if you are having blind spot? Hindi natin alam yung mga uniqueness nyo. Hindi nyo alam yung uniqueness mo rin. That's why we need not just awareness from each other, but also awareness of the outside factors that may be affecting our operation. So awareness, we wanted to see risk early, decide with confidence. And what's the last letter? Yes, according to John Maxwell, beyond your best, there's more. So there's no really perfection. What we want to master is progression. We wanted to understand what are the tools that I need to have so I can sustain my leadership. That while I'm going through my own personal challenges, it is not really our unique strengths that pass on to our managers or to our next in line. No, kasi uniqueness mo yun eh. What is being passed on here later, makikita nyo, is a system. Do you agree? It's a tool. One best way to honor our company is to adjust and to also model. They want to see that in you. The next in-line leaders wants to see a sample of accountability. They want to see a sample of customer love, teamwork, integrity, outstanding commitment, the nurturing at attitude, hindi the diminishing attitude, at the same time, humility.